Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another try on haul video. Of course, I partner with Cupshe, and as you can see, I am serving and slaying, honey. I am in this full figure curvy girl plus size friendly bathing suit. In fact, this whole entire haul is all about the one piece. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sexy in there too, but I definitely want you dolls to know you have options. You do not have to be a bore on the beach this summer. And listen, your girl got you covered. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and stick around if you want to see what it is that I picked up. Okay, so the summer is officially almost here, and you already know Memorial Day weekend is around the corner. I know you dolls probably want to get something really cute because pool season is about to start. So I had to come and bring you another swimsuit haul. So I decided for this haul, I'm just gonna stick with the theme of one pieces, okay? So a lot of these bathing suits are curvy girl and plus size girl friendly. So this one in particular, I thought was really pretty because of the stripes. We all love vertical stripes for some reason. It's supposed to be flattering, plus it's really cute with the colors. So if you're anything like me, you may wanna complement any of the colors you're wearing with your lipstick or your eyeshadow or your purse. I think it gives you a good variety as far as what you can pair with your outfit. But when it comes to the fabric is pretty thick. There are all those, you got the little cup thingies in here, so you kind of can situate your girls. You can always remove them as well. Now this one I did get in a bigger size. I got a lot of these in a bigger size because I really wanted to see how much they stretch, and I can tell in the bigger size they fit my hips a lot better. It's not really cutting into me so much. But anyways, this is how the back looks. So it is something that you would tie yourself, but I think it's still a really cute detail as far as if you have any back fat or anything, it kind of pulls it up. So this is a one-piece bathing suit haul for the most part. And again, you do not have to be boring. You can be really cute, really fun, even sexy in a one piece. And I am here to show you how. We have another one, very fun, very, I would say feminine because of the florals. I think it's really cute, and I love how the top actually holds you in. Again, it has those pads there. Another thick material, so definitely I gotta give it up to Cupshe. They have really good fabrics. They're not see-through, they don't feel flimsy. I've had some bathing suits that just feel like fabric. So the lining on here is really good. It even kind of snatches you in a little bit because of how thick the fabric is, but I can tell it's breathable, and I don't think it would be an issue when you go to get in a pool. So this one is really cute in the back. It's basically full coverage. It definitely covers a lot of your booty area, and then also it goes high up in the back. So if you are concerned about your back, this is a bathing suit that's a little forgiving. But I think it's really adorable when you come look at it up close. You can see it has like this detail, which is navy green and white vertical stripes. Again, very flattering. And this particular top, it has these cups up here. So I'm just like, what? I guess you would have to adjust yourself or take the cups out. So that's just the only thing I've noticed. I might have even tied this too tight because the straps are adjustable, as you can see in the back. So I wanted to pick a bathing suit that didn't have a whole lot of extra when it came to the patterns, and something kind of more on the normal side. You don't have to be boring to have a normal suit. So I thought this frilliness in the front, the ruffles are really cute. I think the fabric is different. The fabric is more of like some type of stretchy slash ribbed detail, and of course the color is different that you would normally see on the beach because it's like a hunter green color. But I think it's a flattering color, and it's something different instead of getting like a black bathing suit, okay? So it is, again, one piece, very comfortable. The straps are a tad too big for me. I will put all my size details as well as my measurements down below in the box, but I definitely wish it had adjustable straps, and it doesn't, but it's okay, girl. It's still cute. It does come with those little cups as well. I think all of these bathing suits are gonna have that cup. I think that's like almost a standard thing, so I may not even need to mention that anymore, but I think they help you as far as placement and holding your girls in. So it's nice to have. But anyways, I like this bathing suit. It's really low key, but it's still girly, and I think it's really flattering because of course it's a one piece and it doesn't have really any problem areas out. So you'll be thighs out, but your booty's covered and your back looks good. And I think that's like really a pretty dainty type of detail. So the reason I picked it again is because it snatches your waist, so it's definitely flattering. You got the vertical stripes. Do you see a pattern here? And it's really cute. It definitely covers everything, but it's not super plain. So it kind of gives you like a scoop back, and then you have in the front the detail as far as like a V-neck in the front. And I could stand to tighten these straps a little. Adjust these straps, they're adjustable, so that's definitely a plus. But I think this is a really cute bathing suit now that I have it on. I wasn't too sure at first, but I definitely, now that I have it on, think it's really pretty. And I think it's complimentary to any skin tone with the color that it is. And I really like it. So I'm telling you, if I had these bathing suits growing up as a plus size little girl, like I would be killing the game. We didn't have all these cute options, okay? And then when you did find some cute options that were like okay cute, they were very expensive. So I'm really excited to bring you dolls this haul. I really do personally recommend Cupshe. So far, as you can see, you don't have to be boring if you want to dress more conservatively, or if you wanted to help, you know, dress any areas that you're not super happy or in love with. But listen, I got a couple more you're gonna like, but this so far is probably my favorite. Okay, so we have another one piece, and this particular one is so comfortable, y'all. Like, it feels so good on. And I think it's really pretty with the colors, and it actually has like a built-in bra. There's underwire in here, so I think this is probably now my new favorite. I know I said the other one was my favorite of the haul, but I would have to say this is a favorite of the haul. And the reason for that is because it gives you wonderful support, and that is what helps you look flattering in a bathing suit. The back is cute, so it does cover kind of high in the back, but it is still open. So if you wanted to catch a tan or something like that, you have a good space that you're working with. The actual print, I think, is so pretty. You have the different colors with the flowers, and then you have the vertical stripes up on the top. I think this bathing suit is very flattering, very chic, really pretty, very comfortable, and it feels really good on. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Okay, so I had to search the website. I wanted to find some sexy options. So again, it's still a one piece. You still feel comfortable. I really love the top because it does hold you really nicely. I don't feel like I have to situate myself at all with this particular one like I did on some of the previous ones. I think the color is really pretty. I think the print is nice. It has like this little belt thingy in the front. I think it's flattering because it actually helps snatch your waist, but it's cute. And this one's a little bit more high cut. So you'll notice in the front, it goes up higher. You can actually even pull it higher if you wanted. And then it does come up a little bit higher in the back on your booty. But still really tasteful, still nice thick material. The back looks like this. And I thought that was really cute with the crisscross detail. Again, it comes up high in the back. So that's one of the constant things that I was looking for when I was shopping for this haul, looking for things that are flattering for a lot of the problem areas. So I hope you dolls so far enjoy. Of course, I couldn't do this haul without a bikini, okay? Like, you know me, I wouldn't be Chrissy if I didn't do it. So the last two looks are actually going to be bikini looks, but this is it so far for the one pieces. Okay, so this particular one is obviously a bikini, and the reason I picked it for this haul is because it has these sides that you can untie. So for me, that's very important because whenever I have sides that I can untie, I can make sure that they fit me the best way possible. Because of how this top is, I can kind of move the top, and it kind of like accentuates and kind of helps my roll or whatever. So sometimes you have like side boob action that can be an issue with bikini tops. So this one in particular is really thick, and it kind of gets all that handled. So really good thing to have in your bathing suit. Now, yeah, the back is a little high. I did notice it's kind of like a low rise and it's a little high, so that's something to consider. I mean, it is a bikini. You are going to be serving body. Okay, so this is the last bathing suit, another bikini, but again, I thought about a curvy woman's body, and the reason I picked it is because of it being high waist. So I love separates when it comes to bikinis because you can always mix and match. But y'all, this top is super cute. I will honestly rock this top with some boyfriend cutout distressed jeans or some jean shorts because it's flattering. Like, I love the color. I love the dainty ruffles. I love that it covers any kind of, you know, roll line or whatever. I love this bathing suit. So again, I picked this one because it's high waist. It gives you a little bit of that ruffle to kind of give you a little bit of your stomach covered, but I mean, not really, it's a bikini, but it's really cute and girly. Like, look. So the back is pretty full coverage, which is good. Covers your booty for the most part. And the bottoms have like this extra fabric right here, kind of. I don't know if you can really tell, but I think that's a part of camouflaging any problem areas you may have, kind of like with the ruching. So again, really good material and really cute design. I think it is perfect for any upcoming swim season or any kind of swimming that you may be doing. Okay, dolls, so I told you this was gonna be a bomb haul. I cannot say enough positive things about Cupshe. And the reason for that is because, listen, like I said, I didn't have all these options growing up when I was super plus size and curvy. Even though your girl done slimmed down a little bit. By the way, if you don't follow me on my fitness and vlog channel, be sure that you do that. You can find the link down below in the box. But I just appreciate the options that Cupshe gives. If you shop Cupshe before, please leave a comment down below. Let the Diva dolls know your experience. I can definitely say I give Cupshe a thumbs up. I do recommend it. I keep doing their hauls on my channel because I love their selection. Their clothes come as advertised. The fabric is good and it's comfortable. Their sizing makes sense and it's affordable, y'all. So be sure to check out all my other fashion hauls that I have. A lot of them swimsuit ready to keep my girls slaying. In fact, I want to give a second to appreciate my girls, my Diva dolls out there, y'all. I am 96,000 strong. I am on my way to 100K and I am so excited. If you love this video, please go ahead and share it with a friend. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure you're subscribed. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart because I love doing these videos and you dolls help me make it possible. So if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @Chrissy the Doll. Sometimes you'll catch me doing a little bit of sneak peeks or you catch me doing unboxing. So definitely hang out with me there. Give me a shout out. Send me a message. Send me a video. I mean, I am very active on my social media, so I would love to meet ya. All right, y'all. So that's really it. Again, I want to thank you so much for your support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.